Condition-based monitoring is perfect for analysing any underlying system performance issues without needing to stop operations. We offer comprehensive on-site CBM analysis to help you directly improve plant reliability and increase performance. All rotating equipment produces a unique vibration signature. Vibration analysis can be used to detect obscure faults such as unbalance, resonance, misalignment or bearing failure. By employing non-intrusive infrared thermal imaging, we can generate thermal spectrum images to pinpoint problem areas and suggest suitable corrective action. A common cause of motor failure is spark erosion from stray voltage discharges that degrades bearing surfaces. We offer a specialist electro-discharge machining analysis service to help identify and correct this issue. Motion amplification is a video process that detects minute amounts of movement and amplifies it until it becomes visible to the naked eye. Its patented technology captures mechanical movements at high speed, which can be used to identify and rectify unwanted structural movements. It's fast, safe and efficient and can help identify problems otherwise impossible to detect. CBM, providing proactive maintenance for all your wastewater needs.